Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Join me as I dive into the world of plant-based proteins and put them to the test. Are they really as good for you as everyone claims? Plant-based proteins have taken the health community by storm, with more and more people turning to them as a viable alternative to traditional animal-based proteins. This surge in popularity has sparked a lot of interest and curiosity about their nutritional value. One of the biggest misconceptions about plant-based proteins is that they're not as nutritious as animal proteins. Some people worry that they don't provide enough protein or that they're not complete proteins, meaning they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. However, this isn't entirely true. While it's true that some plant-based proteins may be lower in certain amino acids, many are rich in others and can be easily combined to provide a complete protein profile. Another concern is that plant-based proteins are too processed or contain too many additives. While it's true that some plant-based protein powders can be highly processed, many whole foods like beans, lentils, and tofu are naturally rich in protein and require minimal processing. In fact, a diet rich in whole plant-based foods has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including lower rates of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Some people also worry that plant-based proteins are too expensive or hard to find. However, with the rise of plant-based eating, it's become easier than ever to find affordable and accessible plant-based protein sources. From chickpeas and black beans to tempeh and seitan, there are countless options to choose from. Plant-based proteins come in a wide variety of sources, each with its own unique benefits and potential downsides. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are rich in protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are also high in protein and healthy fats. Tofu and tempeh are excellent sources of protein and can be used in a variety of dishes. However, some plant-based proteins like pea protein and rice protein may be lower in certain amino acids. Studies have shown that a diet rich in plant-based proteins can have numerous health benefits. A 2016 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that a diet rich in plant-based proteins was associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Another study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that plant-based proteins can help with weight loss and improve overall nutrient intake. One of the most compelling insights into the effectiveness of plant-based proteins comes from research on their impact on chronic diseases. A diet rich in plant-based proteins has been shown to help manage and even reverse certain chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. This evidence is a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their health. The benefits of plant-based proteins don't stop there. They've also been shown to have a positive impact on gut health, immune function, and even mental health. With so much evidence supporting their benefits, it's clear that plant-based proteins are a healthy choice when included in a balanced diet. So there you have it. Plant-based proteins are a nutritious and healthy choice when included in a balanced diet. They offer a wide range of benefits, from supporting heart health to managing chronic diseases. If you're already incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about nutrition and health, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. From debunking common nutrition myths to exploring the latest research on healthy eating, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.